All right, first order of business today. This is our wiring for our rear lights. These connect up there with all the wiring coming out of the firewall. This is brake and turn and license plate light and reverse light and all that jazz. This is all that stuff. So first order of business, I'm going to go down and run this up. So this is sticking up top, and then we will route this under the car in the same fashion that they were routed previously, along with battery cable going to the starter. So look at the beauty of these cars. As you see our wiring here, which this comes from inside the car, and this is the wiring that goes to the back. The factory likes to use bullet connectors whenever possible. So I already have our reds hooked up because this actually came on the harness that way. Make sure that's pushed in because I don't want that arcing. But on these, we just put all like items together. Right, as you can see, they're all connected now. So that part's done. I just gotta route them to the back. I still need to do our voltage regulator wiring, which is these two. Gotta put this ground on. I gotta replace this hack harness here. That came with a new harness. The kit has a new harness, so that's for the Jenny. So we will knock that baby out here. But she is coming along. I'm going to unhook the battery, though. I don't want anything arcing or anything silly that's not hooked up tonight.